Hi guys, this is Daniel from FND. In this video, I'm going to show you how to record a particular software using OBS. So let's get started. So first you need to open the OBS software, and in the sources, clear everything. I'm going to hide both this webcam and desktop. Now we need to decide which software we need to record. So I'm going to record the GIMP software. So that I'm going to open the GIMP. Now get back to OBS, and in the sources click on the plus icon and go to window capture and select it and change the name to GIMP. If you are recording any other software like Photoshop or something, you can name that software and click on OK. This part is the important one. In this window menu, you need to select which software you are going to record. So in this window, if you are going to select this Explorer, you can see this page, this Explorer window. I'm going to record the GIMP, so I'm going to select this GIMP window. In the capture method, I'm going to leave it as automatic. If you want to capture the cursor, you can select this option. If you doesn't want to capture the cursor, you can hide this one like this. I need to capture the cursor, so I'm gonna check this. So then click on OK. Now right click and go to transform and fit to screen. There is some aspect ratio difference between the desktop and the GIMP software, so little bit black area are given on the top and bottom, so you can also correct it if you want. For this tutorial purpose, I'm not going to do that. So if you want to start recording, you can press on start recording. Now you can go to your software and do whatever you want, and that will be recorded in the OBS software. Even when you are opening a different windows, like I'm opening this Explorer window, and I'm going to open this Chrome window, and any other window, and do anything, everything that doesn't capture in this OBS software. Only the thing you are doing in this GIMP software will be captured in the OBS. So let's see. I'm going to stop recording. Let's play the video and you can see. Everything is inside this GIMP software. So that's it. This is the way you can record a particular software using OBS. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more future tutorials. Also press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification when I upload a video. Thanks for watching. Bye.